What's up, guys? I'm doing a little goofing off today, so I went and got the camera. I'm trying to build a snatch block maybe, or an anchor point. I'm not sure what you would really call it, but I'm going to use a 1/2-inch steel plate and a D-ring from Tractor Supply, and I'm going to weld that D-ring to the plate, and then I'm going to mount the plate on the floor in my shop so that I can use it to connect a winch to, or a chain fall, or come along, whatever I need to use to pull cars or tractors or whatever I'm working on. That I need to be able to pull them in my shop if they're not running. So basically just making an anchor point to winch off of, and I figured I might as well bring y'all along. And something cool today, I pulled 5 baby chicks out of the incubator this morning. I'll show y'all those. It's always cool to see. I love hatching out baby chickens. It's fun. I've had chickens for going on 13, 14 years now. They usually get killed every year by a fox, but I always hatch out more. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, this is the steel plate I'm going to be using. One of my buddies lives in a nice, probably 3,500 square foot house with tall ceilings, and he had this made to hold his Christmas trees up. It had a pipe welded on the center, about 8-10 inches tall, and he could get a nice sized Christmas tree in here and clamp it down, and that steel plate would hold it and keep it from falling over. He gave me this plate for free. He doesn't use it anymore, so I'd like to tell him thanks. That's Mr. A.A. Ron. But we got it cleaned off. I cut the pipe off with a 4.5-inch grinder. Cut that pipe off with that. And now I just need to get my D-ring, get everything together so we can get started. Alright, there she is. Heavy duty D-ring, straight from Tractor Supply. Let's open it up so you can see. Check it out. 6,666 pounds. It's an odd weight rating. That's a safe workload, and brake strength is 20,000 pounds. There she is right there. Beautiful. Basically, all we're gonna do is weld this guy right here in the center. Put 4 mounting holes, 2 in each, or 1 in each corner. And the footer on my shop, so the concrete around the edge, is 2 foot wide and 2 foot deep. So we're gonna get some nice long anchor bolts, and we're gonna anchor this down in that 2 foot deep concrete right around the edge of the shop. That'll give plenty of strength to pull anything that I'll ever be working on. Should pull it right on in the shop. Here, if you guys want to see this welder, it's nothing special. It's just a clutch, inverter, powered welder I got off of Northern Tool. I actually bought the refurbished one and got it several $100s off because I didn't want to spend that extra money. Old penny pincher. But it is a multi-process welder. It does stick, MIG, TIG, all that. It's not 110. It does actually burn in a little bit better than the 110 welders do. I started out with one of those, and then I upgraded to this, which, like I say, still not a professional welder, but it does really good for for what I do. Last time I did this, I melted the lens. If you've seen my trailer hitch video where I welded that trailer hitch onto a trailer or replaced the trailer hitch, last time I did some welding and grinding, I actually burnt the lens on the GoPro and had to order a new lens. That was like 20 bucks, so we're gonna try not to do that this time. Alright, we got some tack on that side. Let's tack this side. Spin this thing around so you can see what's going on. Get us a wire brush, knock some of that off there. Alright. I hadn't stick welded in a little while, so let's see if we can make it work. I'll let y'all get in there and see what an amateur weld looks like. Came from not Harbor Freight. They came from Tractor Supply too. I'll put some links in the description to the welder, the rods, the D-ring, and some miscellaneous stuff, whatever I'm using, in case y'all want to look it up, or maybe you need to buy one. Who knows? Well, I blew that. As you can tell, there's weld in the glass again on this GoPro. So I guess this is another $20 video, guys. Here, I'm gonna show you the best side of the weld, of course, because I get to choose. Alright, here we go. This is the best side of the weld. It's not beautiful, it's not perfect, but it should hold without breaking. There you go.